Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to integrate Squarespace apps and extensions. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So Squarespace itself has a extension marketplace. So this is the Squarespace extensions, as you can see. Now, there are some featured extensions that are available, which is MailChimp, and that's for email marketing or SMS. Then you've got Weglot Translate, which is good, or Weglot Translate. Now, they're really good as well for translating your text on different countries, which is another good one there as well. And as you can see, they do have a few other extensions as well. So if you do scroll down, you'll be able to see all the different ones there, which is sales and marketing. They've also got inventory and products. They've also got ones there for financing, so shipping and fulfillment as well. So you do have the option as well to scroll down and view all, and you will see several different options there as well for SEO, which can help you out greatly. All these categories include e-commerce tools, marketing, SEO analytics, accounting and financing. So if you choose the extension, browse through the available extensions that you see here and just find the one that suits your needs. Now, some popular apps and integrations are available in Squarespace Extension Marketplace, and these would include the following, as you can see. So what I'll do here now is I'll showcase how you actually connect this onto the website. So if you just hover over one of the ones that you like, let's just say MailChimp, for example, if you just click on it. So what you need to do here is just select Connect to Site. And this is where you just go through the process then of connecting it for your Squarespace website. Now, take a note, that Squarespace has its own email marketing platform, which is great. So you can use the likes of MailChimp, where you have free 500 recipients to send that email for, or you could just use the Squarespace one that's available. So just log in as normal and you'll be able to connect this plugin to the website. Now, let me just show you how you can also configure your extension settings. So there's a couple of options here. The quickest way to get to where you need to, which is the extension panel, is just by selecting the / button. So once you select the / button, just go ahead and search up for extensions, and you should be able to see third-party tools and extensions. So just click on the second one here. So this is what we'll see. You can see all extensions, sales and marketing, shipping and fulfillment, inventory and products, finance, and business tools. So simply click on the one that you want. So what I've done is I've skipped ahead there just to get to this part here, which is the MailChimp area. And I'm just going to select Finish Syncing with Squarespace Commerce. Okay, so that part just takes a little minute or two, but it'll just say, let's review your settings. And then you just want to select Continue. Now, of course, it will be different for every extension that you add onto your Squarespace website. So just do be aware of this. Now, something that's just popped up on screen here, it will just ask you to select a site. So we're going to click on our first one here, and then this is where I'm going to select Allow. So I'll skip ahead once this is now completed. Now you can see that the connection is being set up. Just takes, again, a couple of minutes for this to fully connect. So I'll just skip ahead once this is done. Then you'll see, let's review your settings, and then you just select Continue. So then you'll be asked then to review your sync settings. So this is what we currently have. Again, as I say, it's going to be different for every extension out there. So it's the linked audience that we have here. The review is perfectly fine and the map's perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and sync now. Hopefully this should be the last time that we select the sync now. And now that is connected to the site, as you can see. So we can hop back onto the website, and this is now fully set up. So let's just say you wanted to update and remove your extensions. That's easy enough to do. On the extensions part, again, just select the / button and then just search up for extensions. You should be located to this page. Now from here, all you would need to do is right click or click on the 3 little dots on the far right, and then you'll have the option then to disconnect. And then when you select disconnect, that'll just go away, and you can now see that we have no extensions connected. Now, something to keep in mind as well, so make sure you monitor your extension performance. So just regularly check the extension section of your site to monitor how well the apps are performing. You can also check the third-party services like MailChimp, of course, or Shippo for specific analytics, performance reports, and data on how well the integrations are working. Now, just a couple of things to keep in mind. Some troubleshooting common issues. So check permissions. So ensure you've granted all the necessary permissions for the integration to work. This might include connecting your Squarespace account with a third-party service or allowing access to certain features like your e-commerce store or social media feeds. Make sure as well that you clear your cache. So if an app is not appearing correctly on your screen, try clearing your browser's cache or reloading your website in incognito mode, and that'll make sure that you're seeing the latest version of your site with the integrated app. Now, if you do have further issues, you can consult the Help Center. So if you're having trouble setting up or configuring that extension, just refer to the Squarespace Help Center or the third-party apps customer support. So overall, integrating apps and extensions into your Squarespace is an excellent way to streamline your business processes and expand your website's functionality. So whether you're looking to enhance e-commerce, boost marketing efforts, or automate daily tasks, Squarespace powerful integrations allow you to focus on what matters most, which is running your business. So one more thing that I want to show you is how you would be able to embed, let's just say, a third-party app or code onto your website, and that's easy enough to do. So what I'm just going to demonstrate here is how to add this little bit of code onto the website. So we're just going to add a brand new section in here. Now this will work as well for any sort of apps or extensions that you want to add onto the website. So I'm just going to add a blank section here for now. And what I'm going to do here is add a block. And this is going to give me an option then to add a little bit of code. So if I just search up for code, you'll see here. Then once I enter that in, just go ahead and click on edit. Now you should get another pop-up on the screen, which is asking you to enter in the HTML. So what I'm going to do here is remove the hello world and paste in the one that I want. And it should give me the content on display. So just like so, you can see on the left side here, I've got the code and I've got the embed that I've got from Canva over to this website. So that's how easy it is to add or integrate another platform onto your Squarespace website. Please feel free, of course, to check out some popular extensions and apps on the Squarespace website. There is, of course, the MailChimp. You've got Printful as well. You've got Shippo. You've got QuickBooks and Zapier. Now, all of these platforms are really good for managing your business. So whatever platform there works for you, I would recommend to use them for managing the website. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you found it helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.